This is Bob. Bob is a building manager. He has different service providers that inspect each of his systems: fire alarm, sprinkler and security, while Bob's employees perform the quarterly sprinkler inspections. Bob receives reports from service providers and his own team. Because every inspector delivers their reports in a different format, for Bob, finding the right report has become a challenge. When the fire marshal visits Bob's facility, Bob has to scramble to find all the inspection reports in so many different places. But what if he didn't have to? Let us introduce Xaap, the compliance platform designed for building managers. Finally, there is a compliance platform where Bob can access all of his documentation in one place. He can control each service provider's access to system inspections, and he can enable collaboration between his team and his service providers. Xaap puts the control back in the hands of the building manager. Xaap, the compliance platform designed for building managers.